Yes, good evening all.
Good evening, sir. How was your day, sir?
Good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, how was
How
your
was
day?
your day, sir?
Yes, it was good. It was not good too. Yeah, okay, I say.
Yeah, that's how everyday life is, sir.
Yeah, how is yours? Like, Dhairya, Adesha, Devanshika,
Hi, guys. How was your day, guys?
Anjali, Sai Niyati. Yes, Sai Niyati, hi.
Good.
Welcome to Chanakya.
Hello, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. How are you? Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm good, sir. My name is Sayaniyati. I study in Meru International and I'm in 11th.
Which school? Mero International. I didn't get you.
Yes, yes,
Acha.
sir.
Okay. Hmm.
Welcome to Chanakya classes, Nayati.
Niyati.
Yeah, Niyati, sorry.
Thank
Hmm.
you, Ritik.
Don't worry. Our sirs here, they'll teach you everything well.
Yeah, I
They'll
was
also
hoping.
bring enthusiasm out of you.
Okay, thanks.
Niyati, yes, yes, yes. Please carry on. Just introduce yourself.
There isn't much to say, sir.
Yes, Niyati.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what are the topics you have done with from your school side?
1 second, sir.
You don't remember? It's fine. Yeah, you can just check it out and just let me know. Okay. Once let me post the message in the group. So I think many of you have to join still. Just a minute.
Sure, sir. No problem. Take your time, sir. Sir, what about the TS class, sir?
Actually,
It's
Ritik,
supposed to be at scheduled at 8
wait,
p.m.,
no,
right?
no, no, no. Actually, yeah, but unfortunately, you had other classes, so we couldn't manage the timings today. So I thought of taking from 6 o'clock only, but couldn't make it today. We couldn't make it, so probably we'll be having some other day. Okay, we'll be informing you in that
Okay, sir.
regard.
No
All right,
problem.
we'll be informing in that regard. So
Yes, sir. Yeah. We'll, we'll be looking forward for the new chapter, sir.
yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll go ahead. We'll go ahead. Yes, people.
So Niyati, you can also talk to my friends here who are much older than me.
Sorry, Srika.
Yeah, Niyati, you can talk to my friends over here who are much older than me too.
How old are you?
I mean, I'm here recently. I'm talking about how old I studied in Chanakya.
Okay. You've joined this year?
Yeah, recently, 1 month ago.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. You can also communicate with my friends over here. They're
Yes.
also good.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay. Yes, Niyati, feel free to talk. Feel free to ask your doubts. Feel free to express yourself. Feel free to, share your ideas.
Of course, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. I will.
Okay, sets, trigonometry, complex numbers, sequence and series, straight lines, syllabic. So these are the topics you have done, and we finished derivatives as well. So yeah, right now we are in vectors. Yeah. Niyati, I think long back you have joined, like I think, a week ago you have joined the institute, right? Yes.
I started yesterday only, sir.
Okay. Fine. Okay, you listen today's class, Niti. I'll just talk to you personally in the regard of the classes. Actually, we are in the in between the topic actually. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you might not understand what we are going through right now. I'll talk to you personally once we're done with this class. Okay. Okay, Niyati?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please try to listen the class now. Yes, children, have you done with the questions which we have done, which we have given in the class, last class? Have you done? Can you raise your hands? Hello? Have you done with the class? Have you done with the questions? No one. Speaker, Tanish, Dhairya, Divyanka, Divyanka, I think Divyanka, yeah. Okay, not an issue. The question was, what was the question? If A vector given as I cap plus J cap plus K cap and B vector given as 4I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap and C vector is given as I plus alpha J cap plus beta K cap are coplanar and magnitude of C given as √3, then find alpha and beta. What's the alpha and beta value here? Come on. Yes, Divyanka, have you solved this question?
Yes, so
Adesha?
alpha was plus or minus 1
Okay.
and beta was minus 1. No, it was 1. Yeah, that's it.
What about others? Yes, you are right. What about Disha? What happened? It's very simple, right? What I told you, whenever here ABC or coplanar, which means what box ABC is going to be 0. All right. How do I go about this? Abhinay has joined. So 1, 1, 1, 4, 3, 4, 1 alpha and beta is equal to 0. Yes. Very good, Disha. So just if I expand this, so what I'm going to get? If at all I expand this 1 into 3 beta minus 4 alpha minus 1 into 4 beta minus 4 plus 1 into 4 alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. If you have, if you just expand this 3 beta minus 4 alpha minus 4 beta plus 4 plus 4 alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. So 4 alpha will get cancelled. So minus beta is equal to minus 1. So beta is going to be 1. If beta 1, then from the magnitude of C is given root 3. So if I do squaring on both sides, what I'm going to get 3. So magnitude of C is what here? What is the magnitude of C vector? So 1 square plus alpha square plus beta square, right? So 1 square plus alpha. So look at it here. You can see this is C wave, right? 1 square plus alpha square plus beta square is equal to 3. Alpha square, beta value is 1, right? 1 plus 1 plus 3. Beta alpha square is what? How much? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 how much? 1. So alpha is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. This is what the answer is all about. Clear, people? Hello? Isn't it? Yes. We'll do one more question. Here, magnitude of A cross B whole square given plus A dot B whole square given 144 and magnitude of A given 4. Then B is what? What is the answer of this? Very simple. You have to give the answer within a minute. What is a cross product? What is a dot product? Tell me. Make it fast. I think this question was a homework question.
Sir, is B value 3?
Sorry.
Is the answer 3?
Yes. How many of you got this? Very good, Disha. How can you explain, Disha, here? How can we solve this?
So we can write it as 16 cos square theta plus 16 sin square theta is equal to 144. And then taking 16 common, and we'll get cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to 1. And then 144 divided by 16, we get 9. So b square is equal to 9, b is equal to 3.
Fantastic. Look at this here. This can be written as what? Magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square, cos square theta. Formula. Here n cap hota hai, to n cap, however, it is going to be 1 since it's a unit vector. All right. So 144 here. So here, look at this here. Magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square. If I take common, so what would you get here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta gives you what? Isn't it, people? Isn't it, guys? Very simple. So from this, what can you write here? Magnitude of a square, magnitude of b square, and 144, which gives you what here? Magnitude of a. So magnitude of a, magnitude of b, how much? 12. Square root of 144 is 12. So magnitude of a given 4 here. Magnitude of 4 and magnitude of b is equal to 12. 3. Very good, Disha. You are right. Very simple. Next, so that was a basic question actually. Solve this, everyone. What is the answer? See, A, B, C are, how many have you done this? A, B, C be a unit vectors of which no two are collinear and also they are non-collinear. Find A, B, C if it is given this one. This was the homework, guys. V is asking us to find box ABC here. Box ABC. All right. So box ABC is what? If at all I take box ABC, can I write A dot A dot B? Can I write like this? Box ABC whole square, A dot C. B dot A, B dot B, B dot C. C dot A, C dot B, C dot C. Okay. So everything given here now, look at it here. A dot B is equal to what? A dot A is equal to what? 1. A dot B how much given? 1 by 2. A dot C given 1 by 2. 1 by 2. B dot B 1. B dot C 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1. All right. This is what. So how did you get an idea that you have to write box ABC whole square? Why? Because look at it, if I tell I write that, so I'm having A dot B, B dot C, C dot A, right? These are the values I have. So A dot B whole square gives me this one. I can substitute easily the values. All right, people. Niyati, are you able to understand Niyati? Niyati? Hello? Niyati? Are you here?
I can understand, sir.
You can, yes, no problem. But see, yeah, you're new to the topic, right? We have done with already a couple of lectures and with the vectors, and you can go through the recordings. If you are not able to understand, go through the recording. If you are going through a recording, at least you will get an idea so that you will understand the upcoming classes. No problem at all. And once we start with a new topic, so that you will get a good command on the topic. All right.
Okay, sir.
If at all you need any extra classes, if at all you don't understand anything, you just do ask me so that I'll be ready to explain that immediately. Clear? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
what is the answer of this beta? Determinant. How do you know how to find out determinant, Niyati?
No, sir.
No, you are like a 11th standard student, right? So I think for 12th standard student they might be knowing, and the state board 11th standard they might be knowing. You are from CBSE, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So no problem. Look at this here. How can we find out? Look at this here. First, for finding determinant of this, we'll be just choosing one. Okay. 1 into, we'll be closing the column of row of that particular one and column of that particular one. And we'll be multiplying 1 into 1, 1. Half into half, 1 by 4. All right. Now, next, I'll just erase this. Okay. Now, I'll be writing with respect to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will be always, whatever the element in this position I have, that will be always minus here. Okay. So now look at this here, and with respect to that particular element, you have to just cancel the row and cancel the column as well. Okay, so what you remain with now? 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1, how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, how much? 1 by 4. All right. Yes. Now look at it here, we're done with 1 by 2. Next, with respect to what? Again, this 1 by 2. So with respect to this 1 by 2, the 1 by 2, it is in the third column and first row, right? First row I'm cancelling, third column I'm cancelling. So this into this into this. That's it. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. All right. So what are the things I told you now? What are the things I told you here? Whatever the elements you have in this position, this gives you always minus. Okay. So now solve this. How much? 1. So 4 minus 1. So 3 by 4 minus how much it is? 1 by 2 into how much it gives you? 4. So 2 by 4 half plus 1 by 2 into how much it gives you? Minus half. All right. So 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4, which gives you 1 by 2. All right. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So how much? 4 minus 2 by 4. So 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Correct. Look at this here. This gives me 1 by 2. And this also gives me how much? Minus 1 by 2 only. So minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. So minus 2 by 4. 1 by 4. How many have you got this? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4, sorry. I made a mistake. Here 1 by 4 people. Here 1 by 4, isn't it? 1 by 4 here and 1 by 4. So if I tell I write this, so then our answer is going to be changed. Look at this here. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 8. So take an LCM. 8 is LCM. So 6 minus 1 minus 1. So 4 by 8, which gives me 1 by 2. The answer of the determinant is what? 1 by 2. So what we got now? Box A, B, C whole square gives me what? 1 by 2. So now box A, B, C is going to be what? Plus or minus 1 by square root of 2. Is it clear, people? Hello? Any doubts here?
No. Hello.
Any
No,
doubts,
sir.
children?
No, sir.
Yes. Next question. Guys, very simple. What I have done here is asking us to find ABC value. So I have this, whenever you have this type of, this type of data in the question, make sure that you are, writing this. If at all I write this, so I have every value of this determinant. I can substitute, find the determinant, and just get the answer. All right, next question. Next answer. Next question, sorry. Hmm. The vectors A, I minus j plus 2k, and B vector gives me 2i cap plus 4j cap plus k cap, and C vector given that lambda I cap plus j cap plus mu k are mutually orthogonal. Then find out the value of this. Make it fast. See, what is the meaning of this? Look at this here. A vector, B vector, and C vector, they are mutually orthogonal. Means what? People, how many of you got this?
No, sir.
Sorry, Srikar? Srikar, you got?
Doing, sir.
What is the answer?
Sir, I got
What is the answer?
minus 3,2.
Perfect. How did you solve?
Sir, mutually orthogonal means any two vectors dot product will be giving 0, sir.
Exactly, you're right. Any two vectors dot product is going to be 0. So what did you take after that? A dot C and B dot C. Okay. If you make, look at it here. A dot C is equal to 0. B dot C is equal to 0. Okay. So now if you solve these two, will not you get the answer? You will get two equations. Solve those two equations. You will get it. Tell me what is A dot C? What is the answer of A dot C?
Sir, the two equations will be lambda minus 1 plus 2u for A dot C.
Right. Very good. Look at it here. If at all, what is that? What is that? Can you please come back?
Sir, for A dot C, I got the equation as lambda minus 1 plus 2 nu.
Lambda minus
1 plus 2u.
Look at this. That is not u, that is mu. Okay, so look at this here. A dot c I minus j plus 2k. Divyanka, are you here? Divyanka,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer? What is the answer, beta? Look at this here. What is the answer is going to be A dot c. I don't wrote b here. So lambda I cap plus j cap plus mu k cap. What is the answer is going to be? You must talk in the class. Lambda plus lambda minus 1
1
plus 2
plus
times
2.
of mu is equal to 0, right? Let us consider this as one equation. If I take b dot c is equal to 0, so 2I cap plus 4j cap plus k cap dot c. What is c here? Lambda I cap plus j cap plus mu k cap is equal to 0. So 2 times of lambda plus 4 plus mu is equal to 0. Now solve these two equations. If you solve these two equations, will you not get lambda and mu values? Of course, yes. So what I have to do? Just multiply the first equation with the 2. 2 into 1. Why? Look at it here. 2 lambda minus 2 plus 4 mu is equal to 0. Okay, now solving this equation and the equation. So 2 lambda minus 2 plus 4 mu is equal to 0. 2 lambda plus 4 plus mu is equal to 0. All right. So look at this. Subtract this. This is going to be cancelled now. Minus 6 my plus 3 mu is equal to 0. 3 mu is equal to 6. So mu answer is going to be 2. Very simple. Any doubts? If at all mu is 2, what is the lambda is going to be? Substitute in the first equation. So from the first equation, what do you got? 1 minus lambda minus 1, right? Lambda minus 1 plus 2 mu is equal to 0. Lambda minus 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 0. Lambda is going to be what? 4 minus 1, 3, minus 3. So he's asking for what? Lambda comma mu. So minus 3 comma 2. Perfect. All right. Therefore, lambda comma mu gives you what? Minus 3 comma 2. All right. 3 minus 3 comma 2. Clear? Any doubts? Hello.
No, sir.
Next question. If the vectors AB and sides of a triangle ABC, then the length of the median through A is what? Come on. Very simple. Solve this question. Fatafat. What is the answer? First, draw the triangle. Look at this triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. AB and AC are the sides of triangle AB. Okay. A, B, C. Then the length of the median through A. Median through A. Let's say that if I just draw, this is going to be median. Let's say this is M. Okay. This is a vector. This is a vector. Okay. So what is AM here? AM is going to be what? AM is going to be what?
So is it 7?
No. Median is what? AB vector plus AC vector by 2. AB vector plus AC vector by 2. AB and AC vector by 2. So look at this now. AB is 3I plus 4K given plus what is AC given? 5I minus 2J plus 4K by 2.
Sir, is it root 33?
Yes, you're right. So how much? 8I cap minus 2J cap plus 8K cap is 2 by 2. All right. So if you simplify this, so 4I cap minus J cap plus 4K cap. Okay, this is my what? AM. AM vector. He's asking for what? The length. Length is asking. Okay, what is the length is going to be? Find the magnitude of this because 16 plus 1 plus 16 root 33. Got it? Got it or not? No, Divyanka. Check your answer.
Yes, understood.
Next question. Let A, B, and C are 3 unit vectors such that if B is not parallel to C vector, then the angle between A and B is what? See, ABC are 3 unit vectors such that this is equal to this given. B is not parallel to C given. Then angle between these two what? Come on, make it fast. Option B 2 pi by 3, option C 5 pi by 6, option D 3 pi by 4. How can I go? Guys, 3 unit vectors. A cross B cross C given. Look at this here. A cross B cross C is equal to root 3 by 2 B plus C given. Right? Can I write this as what? A dot C B, A dot C B minus A dot B and dot C. Just expand this. Can write like this. How many of you agree with my point? Just tell me what is he's asking for angle between A and B, right? So now compare this and this. If I compare, so what is the A dot B is going to be now? A dot B is going to be what? A dot B is going to be what? Root 3 by 2. So A dot B is what? Minus root 3 by 2. Isn't it? Hello, people.
Yes.
I'm just comparing the coefficients on both the sides. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the cos theta is going to be here? Tell me. Come on.
Minus cos 30, sir.
30 cos theta minus root 3 by 2 can be written as
Cos
what? Cos theta is equal minus cos how much?
30.
30. We
30,
don't have
sir.
an option of 30. Look at the options. We don't have an option of 30 here. 90, 120, 145, so 135 and
135 then, sir. Because if you take
150.
180
Look at
minus.
it, 5 into 30 I
Make
have,
it-
right? So this is going to be the answer. 5 into 30. So what is the answer now?
Cos 5 pi by 6.
So this can be written as what? Theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to, this can be written as what? Cos of minus 5 pi by 6. Cos of negative angle can be written as what? Sorry, here cos of minus
Only
cos
positive,
of
sir, because cos.
positive. So answer is going to be what? 5 pi by 6, right? Theta pi pi by 6. Find out pi
Yes,
pi by
sir.
6. Pi pi by 6. Pi into pi pi by 6. Pi by 6. 5 into 30 by, so 5 into 30, 150. So cos 150 how much? Cos 180
180
minus
minus 30.
180 minus 30 second quadrant minus cos 30. Look at it here. Cos 30 how much?
Plus cos 30 itself.
Root 2 by 2. So 5 pi by 6 is the answer. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Look at this, guys. Here cos 30 root 3 pi by 2 only minus root 3 by 2 only. So theta is going to be 5 pi by 6. Clear? Why? Because cos 5 pi by 6 is giving you what? Check it out. The same answer which we have here. Option B, option C is going to be correct. People, any doubts? Basic trigonometric calculation. Basic trigonometric calculation. Next question. Next question. The value of A when the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and ai plus bj minus 8k are collinear. Collinear. Come on. We have seen a topic on collinear. Tell me. Hello, people done? See, compare the coefficient a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2.
Yes, what is the answer? Guys, look at this here. This by this 2 by A minus 3 by B 4 by minus 8. Compare this. This is
-4, sir.
this is not B. This is 6.
This is 6. Is looking like C. 6. Okay, what is the answer? Minus.
4.
I need a value, right? Just equate these two. 2 by a is equal to -1 by 2. A is going to be -4. Very simple. Guys, collinear का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, this by this. Compare very like shortcut. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. All right. Yes. Solve that. You will get it. Clear? Next question. Next question. If U, V, and W are three non-coplanar vectors, then U plus V minus W dot U minus V cross V minus W is equal to what? Very simple question. Make it fast. Option A, let me read option A, 0. Option B, U dot V cross W. Option C, U dot W cross V. Option D, 3 times of U dot V plus W. All right. U dot V. Tell me which option is going to be correct. What is the right option? Look at it, it's very simple. Dhairya, are you able to understand, Dhairya? Tell me.
Yes, sir, I am able to.
What is the answer of this?
Sir, I didn't get the answer.
You did or you did not? Look at
Sir, I
this.
tried. I'm not getting, sir.
Fine, fine. Okay, look at this here. These are non-coplanar. This dot, this cross, this given. How do I go about this? Huh? Tell me. Look at this, guys. What is this gives you? A dot. If at all I have this gives you 0. And if I write this, can be written as what? This also, I can write this as this also 0. Hello? What is the what identity I'm using here? Distributive identity. If at all I use that, what would you get? Look at this here. Just multiply distributive identity. U dot U plus, right? So U plus V minus W. First you write U dot U minus V cross V minus W plus V minus W. This gives you what? U minus V plus V minus W. Okay. How many of you got this? See what I'm doing here. This into this into this. Okay. Observe that properly. This into this into this. All right. So now what can I next up? What should be my next step? What should be written there? Tell me. Come on. What should be my next step? What happened? Dhairya, did you finish? Hello?
Sir.
Finish?
No, sir.
Guys, after this, very simple, right? How it is looking like? A dot B cross C. Isn't it? A dot B cross C. How can I do this after this? I just gave hint, guys. You have to solve this. And let me know in tomorrow's class. I'll give one more
Yes.
question here. Solve this question. Let me know. And I'll give one more question. Just let me know in tomorrow's class. Next question. Very good question. If the vector OP in XY plane whose magnitude is √3 makes an angle of 60 degrees with y-axis, the length of the component of the vector in direction of x-axis is what? Option A 1, option B √3, option C 1/2, option D 3/2. All right, so this is what your question. Dharya, you don't know. Okay, Divyanka, solve the given question to you. Tanish, Pravalika, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, understood.
Yes, sir.
Respond to the questions. Revise the notes. I think you was absent for the last class. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Why? If you just bunk the classes like this, if you miss the classes in between, then how come you understand the next class, ma? Did you revise at least? Did you go through the notes? Google Classroom. I just posted in Google Classroom. Did you go
Sir,
through?
sir, I was preparing for the exam, sir, so I didn't revise. Today I'll revise all the classes.
Okay. Okay. Niyati, you also, Niyati. Okay. Thank you.